A new chapter in global aviation is being written, and China is holding the pen. At the center of this transformation stands a giant of the skies, the AG-600, a domestically developed aircraft that marks a historic milestone for the country. Built entirely with Chinese technology, the AG-600 is the largest civilian amphibious aircraft in the world by maximum takeoff weight. Designed to operate both on land and water, it represents not just engineering power, but a bold vision of what the future of aviation can be. And this is only the beginning. The future of air travel is climbing to new heights as China pushes forward with groundbreaking innovations. From electric airplanes to autonomous flying cars, a new generation of aircraft is emerging faster, smarter, and more efficient than anything before. So get ready for takeoff. Buckle up as we explore the 20 Chinese aircraft that are set to change travel forever. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. 20th, the future of flying cars. Imagine a world where long traffic jams are a thing of the past. No more wasting hours stuck between red lights and honking cars. That future isn't science fiction anymore. It's taking shape in China with a revolutionary flying vehicle called the EHang 200. The EHang 216 represents a major breakthrough in urban mobility. This autonomous electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, known as an EVTO, is often described as a real-life flying car. It was designed specifically for short-distance trips inside crowded cities, allowing passengers to rise above traffic instead of sitting in it. Built to handle urban chaos, the EHang 216 is ideal for cities packed with cars, noise, and pollution. It offers a faster, cleaner alternative to traditional transportation by using electric motors rather than fossil fuels. That means fewer emissions, quieter flights, and a much smaller environmental footprint. What truly makes this aircraft unique is that it doesn't need a pilot. There's no cockpit crew, no manual flying. You simply choose your destination, and the aircraft flies itself using advanced autonomous systems. It's like calling a taxi, but this one takes off into the sky. This isn't a distant dream. The EHang 216 is already flying and being tested in real environments. It marks a turning point where flying cars stop being fantasy and start becoming part of everyday life. If this technology continues to grow, flying across your city could soon feel just as normal as ordering a ride through an app. 19th. The Comac C9-219. Revolution. What if the sky itself became a competitive battlefield? That's exactly what's happening as China steps into the global aviation race with a powerful new aircraft, the Comac C9-219. This aircraft was built to go head-to-head with two of the biggest names in aviation, the Boeing 737 and the Airbus A320. Designed for both domestic and international routes, the C9-219 focuses on efficiency, affordability, and modern design, making it a serious competitor in the world of commercial aviation. One of its biggest strengths is lower operating costs. Airlines can spend less on fuel, maintenance, and daily operations while still offering reliable service. Its improved fuel efficiency and eco-friendly design also mean fewer emissions, helping reduce aviation's environmental impact. But this plane isn't just about saving money, it's about changing the balance of power in global aviation. The C9-219 is built to match the performance, comfort, and reliability of the world's most popular passenger jets and challenge their dominance. As China's aviation industry continues to grow and the world searches for more sustainable ways to travel, the Comac C9-219 arrives at the perfect moment. It's not just another airplane in the sky, it's a symbol of a new era where more nations compete to define the future of air travel. 18th. Hydrogen aircraft. What about planes that run on hydrogen instead of fossil fuels? Sounds revolutionary, right? That's exactly what China is working on, aiming to develop hydrogen-powered aircraft to transform the skies. Hydrogen planes are being researched and tested all over the world, and China has entered this race in a big way. The goal? To help decarbonize the aviation sector and create a cleaner, more sustainable future for air travel. Hydrogen fuel offers a major advantage over traditional jet fuel. It's cleaner, with near-zero emissions, making it a perfect candidate for reducing the environmental impact of flying. The push toward hydrogen is part of China's larger plan to lead in green aviation and reduce its carbon footprint. As the world moves closer to zero-emission technologies, hydrogen-powered aircraft may soon become a common sight in the skies, permanently reshaping the future of air travel. 17th. The Xi'an MA700. Looking for the perfect plane for short trips, high altitudes, and tough conditions? Meet the Xi'an MA700, China's next-generation regional turboprop aircraft. Developed by AVEC, the MA700 was built for efficiency, speed, and high performance, especially on challenging regional routes. This is not just another regional aircraft. The MA2700 was designed to fly at higher speeds than traditional turboprops, which means faster flights and less time in the air. It also focuses on fuel efficiency, making it ideal for airlines that want to cut operating costs while flying in difficult environments, including high-altitude airports or regions with limited infrastructure. Whether crossing mountains or landing on shorter runways, the Xi'an MA2700 was made to handle it all, and as demand for regional travel grows, especially in areas with complex terrain, this aircraft is ready to rise to the challenge with ease. 16th. The Xi'an Y-20. Let's talk about the Xi'an Y-20, a revolutionary aircraft that is making a huge impact in the world of heavy transport. Designed by China, this giant was built to carry massive loads over long distances, changing the way both military and commercial aviation operate. The Y-20 is not an ordinary cargo plane. With its powerful engines and advanced design, it can transport large volumes of cargo or troops, even in the most challenging environments. From remote locations to rough terrain, this aircraft was made to deliver reliability and strength, becoming an essential tool for rapid deployment and logistics. What makes the Y-20 stand out is its enormous versatility. It can carry oversized cargo and operate in places that would be difficult for most other planes. This capability gives it a huge advantage in military operations and large-scale logistics missions. The Y-20 is also starting to draw attention on the international stage. With its recent arrival in Egypt, it's clear that this aircraft's influence is expanding beyond China's borders. It's even raising concerns in the United States, a sign of just how important this plane is becoming in global aviation. 15th. Unique E430. The Unique E430 is leading personal aviation with its sleek, electric design, ready to transform short-distance flights. This innovative aircraft focuses on efficiency and sustainability, offering an eco-friendly way to fly without the carbon emissions of traditional airplanes. With zero emissions and a lightweight structure, the E430 is perfect for quick, short flights. Traveling between nearby cities or commuting locally becomes a quieter and cleaner experience compared to traditional aviation. In addition, its more affordable cost compared to larger aircraft makes it a very attractive option for private owners. Besides being environmentally responsible, the Unique E430 was designed with simplicity in mind. Its easy-to-use controls make it accessible even to non-professional pilots, offering a user-friendly flying experience. This could open the door for more people to own their own personal aircraft, taking the future of air travel to a whole new level. 14th. RX-4E. When it comes to the future of regional air travel, the RX-4E is out in front. This fully electric aircraft is ready to revolutionize the way we fly, offering a greener and more efficient alternative to traditional airplanes. What makes the RX-4E so special? For starters, it runs entirely on electricity, eliminating the use of aviation fuel and drastically reducing emissions. That's not only better for the environment, but it also means lower operating costs for airlines. On top of that, it's quieter and smoother, making the flying experience more pleasant. The RX-4E was designed for short-distance flights, making it perfect for connecting nearby cities or getting from one place to another quickly. With the growing search for eco-friendly solutions in aviation, the RX-4E can play an important role in transforming the sector. Now that it is obtaining its type certification, the RX-4E is ready to take off and show us what the future of air travel can look like: cleaner, quieter, and more efficient. 13th. The AG600 Kunlong. Do you think seaplanes are just small planes, sliding over calm lakes? Think again. The AVEC AG600 Kunlong is a giant that is breaking all the traditional rules of seaplanes. This massive aircraft was not only designed to take off and land on both water and land, but it was also built for truly heavy-duty tasks, capable of carrying large loads, including passengers, cargo, and even fighting fires. This plane was made to be versatile. With its impressive wingspan and powerful design, it is perfect for missions that require a solution for all types of terrain. It is transforming air travel over water, from search and rescue operations to transporting supplies to remote coastal regions. It is also a major breakthrough for areas that do not have access to traditional airports. Thanks to its ability to land on water, the AG600 Kunlong is ideal for reaching hard-to-access places that would be nearly impossible for regular airplanes or helicopters. With its successful inaugural flight, the AG600 Kunlong is proving that giant seaplanes are not just a vision of the future, but a reality that can transform air travel and emergency operations. 12th. The E20. Have you ever wished you could simply skip traffic and fly over the city? The E20 may make that possible. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft eVTOL was created to change the way we move within congested cities, offering a faster and more efficient way to get from point A to point B. The E20 can take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for runways. It is ideal for urban environments where space is limited, allowing it to fly over traffic and significantly reduce travel time. Powered by electricity, the E20 is much more eco-friendly than traditional aircraft. It was designed to be quieter and cleaner, making it a great option for cities looking to reduce pollution and noise. In addition, it is efficient and can help reduce the carbon footprint of air travel. Still, in the prototype phase, the E-20 is a preview of the future of urban mobility. As more of these vehicles take shape, flying cars may soon become part of everyday life, making travel faster and more energy efficient. 11th. Hypersonic jet. Will we soon see a major change in global travel? The Nanking No. 1. China's hypersonic passenger jet may be the aircraft that redefines the future of flight. Capable of reaching speeds above Mach 5, this jet could make long-distance travel faster and more efficient than ever. Currently under development, the Nanking No. 1 was created to revolutionize the way we think about international travel, potentially reducing flight time to a fraction of what it is today. This hypersonic jet will be able to fly at more than 3,790 miles per hour, far surpassing the speed of traditional aircraft. The idea is to fly from Beijing to New York in just 2 hours, a trip that normally takes more than 14 hours. With such a dramatic reduction in flight time, this aircraft could open up new possibilities for both business and leisure travel. Although it is still in an early stage, the technology behind the Nanking No. 1 could lead, in the future, to faster and more efficient air travel, crossing huge distances in record time. If successful, it could mark the beginning of a new era in aviation, in which global travel becomes faster, more accessible, and more convenient for everyone. The future of flight is getting extremely fast. Get ready for today's mystic topic. This new Chinese plane that will change travel forever is unlike anything you've ever seen. Shaped like an ultra-modern whale gliding through the clouds, this aircraft promises to redefine the future of air travel. Can you imagine flying in something that looks both luxurious and futuristic at the same time? What will the impact be for passengers and for the aviation industry as a whole? Are we ready for such a big change? Leave your opinion below, and don't forget to use the hashtag #MysticTopic. 10th. June H-6. Surprised to hear about the June H-6. This aircraft is a formidable force in China's military arsenal and has the potential to change the way we think about long-range flights and strategic air capabilities. The June H-6 is a twin-engine bomber developed in China based on the Soviet Tupolev Tu-16, but it has been extensively modernized to meet the country's constantly evolving defense needs. The H-6 is known for its impressive range, capable of flying up to about 3,000 miles, and for its ability to carry a wide variety of weapons, including conventional bombs, cruise missiles, and even nuclear payloads. It was designed for both strategic and tactical bombing missions, giving China a powerful tool to project force and maintain air superiority. However, the influence of the H-6 may not be limited to military use. With continuous upgrades, this aircraft could inspire future developments in commercial aviation, especially in long-haul flights. Its advanced aerodynamics and long-range capabilities could influence the design of future passenger planes, enabling faster and more efficient intercontinental flights. With constant improvements to the H-6, this aircraft may play a key role in shaping both military air strategies and the future of long-distance travel. The June H-6 goes beyond being just a bomber, representing a new wave of innovation in aviation. 9th. June Ma-60. Can a turboprop plane really transform regional air travel? The June Ma-60 is doing exactly that. This efficient and rugged aircraft was built to handle short-distance flights, easily connecting remote and underserved areas. Designed for challenging environments, the Ma-60 operates efficiently on shorter runways and at high-altitude airports, making it a valuable asset for regions with limited infrastructure, offering a reliable and affordable solution for both passengers and cargo. It expands access to air transportation in regions that would otherwise be hard to reach. Although it is not as famous as large commercial jets, the Xi'an Ma-60 is quietly making a big impact, strengthening regional airlines and opening new travel opportunities to harder-to-reach destinations. 8th. Shanxi KJ500. If you are looking for a breakthrough in aerial surveillance, the Shanxi KJ500 may be the aircraft that catches your attention. This advanced airborne early warning and control AEW and seaplane is a key asset in China's air defense strategy, and its capabilities may also have a major impact on the future of aviation security and air traffic control. The KJ500 is equipped with a next-generation radar system designed to detect and track even stealth aircraft, such as the United States F-22 and F-35 fighters. This advance represents a major leap, allowing the tracking of stealth technologies that were previously much harder to detect. This makes the KJ500 an essential tool for managing airspace and identifying potential threats in both military and civilian contexts. Although it was originally designed for military purposes, the KJ500's radar and surveillance systems may also have civilian applications. This technology could be adapted to improve air traffic control, increase flight safety, and optimize airspace monitoring around the world. With continuous upgrades, the KJ500 could become a powerful asset for both defense and commercial aviation. changing the way we think about aerial security and surveillance. 7. COMAC SIGN 909. Have you thought about how the Chinese aviation industry is raising its level? The COMAC SIGN 909 is one of the most exciting aircraft in development to revolutionize commercial air travel, created by the Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China. The SIGN 909 is a wide-body jet that aims to compete with global giants like Boeing and Airbus. Using cutting-edge technology and high efficiency, it was designed for long-haul international flights, with capacity for about 280 to 320 passengers. It promises to deliver a superior flying experience, combining comfort, speed, and efficiency, with a focus on fuel efficiency and eco-friendly features. The C909 has everything it takes to be a game-changer for airlines, reducing operating costs and benefiting the environment. The excitement around this aircraft comes from its potential to shake up the global aviation market, offering more options for passengers and possibly lowering ticket prices. With this ambitious project, China is making noise in the aviation world. The COMAC SIGN 909 represents the next step in air travel, offering a vision of a faster, more efficient, and more sustainable future. 6th ARJ-21, Xiangfeng, with its sleek design and advanced features. The ARJ-21 Xiangfeng is quickly standing out in Chinese regional aviation. This twin-engine jet, developed by COMAC, was designed for short and medium-range flights, making it ideal for connecting smaller cities and underserved regions. With capacity for about 90 passengers, the ARJ-21 offers an economical and reliable option for airlines looking to optimize regional routes. Its fuel efficiency helps reduce operating costs, while passengers enjoy a smoother and more comfortable trip. What sets the ARJ-21 apart is its ability to operate in challenging environments, including high-altitude airports, making it suitable for a wide variety of locations. As it meets the growing demand for domestic air travel, the ARJ-21 Xiangfeng is well-positioned to improve regional connectivity and support the expansion of Chinese aviation, offering faster and more efficient travel options. 5th, Epic E. Does the Epic E190 represent the future of personal air travel? Although it is not a Chinese aircraft, this innovative plane has been making waves around the world, and its revolutionary technology could influence the aviation industry for many years. The Epic E190 is a high-performance, single-engine aircraft designed for executive and personal use. With a top speed above 323 miles per hour and a range of about 1,650 miles, it brings a new level of efficiency and comfort to private aviation. Thanks to its carbon fiber construction, the E190 is lighter and more fuel-efficient than traditional aircraft, which can significantly reduce both operating costs and environmental impact. One of the major highlights of the Epic E190 is its advanced avionics, including the Autoland system, which can land the aircraft autonomously in case of an emergency. This safety feature could set a new standard for the aviation industry, making flying safer and more accessible for both pilots and passengers. As the Epic E190 continues to evolve, it stands as a major leap in the evolution of air travel, offering a vision of a future in which personal flying is more efficient, safer, and more accessible. The potential of this aircraft to change the way we think about flight is undeniable. 4th, June Y7, built for versatility and reliability. The June Y7 is an aircraft that has quietly made a significant mark in both military and civilian aviation. Developed by June Aircraft Industrial Corporation, this turboprop plane was adapted from the Soviet Antonov An-24 and modified to meet China's specific operational needs. The Y7 can carry up to 60 passengers and was designed for short-distance flights, making it especially useful in regions with limited infrastructure or difficult terrain. Its rugged structure makes it ideal for flying in varied weather conditions, offering reliable service even in the most challenging environments. This capability makes the Y7 an essential asset for both troop transport and cargo delivery in remote or hard-to-reach areas. In addition to military use, the Y7 also plays an important role in domestic passenger transport, offering affordable and efficient travel options within China. It is especially well-suited for smaller regional airports where larger jets cannot operate. The GON Y7 may not be as high-profile as some large commercial aircraft, but its reliability and adaptability make it a standout in the future of aviation, especially in underserved regions where smaller, more versatile planes are needed to connect the world. 3rd, Shaanxi Y8. The Shaanxi Y8 stands out when it comes to military transport and logistics, and it is becoming increasingly clear that this aircraft can impact the future of air travel in many ways. Developed by Shaanxi Aircraft Corporation, the Y8 was designed to handle everything from heavy cargo transport to troop deployment, and it has been drawing attention in both the military and civilian sectors. Derived from the Soviet Antonov An-12, the Y8 has been upgraded with modern avionics and enhanced capabilities. It can carry substantial payloads and operate in challenging environments. making it ideal for military operations and humanitarian missions. This versatility is one of the reasons it stands out. What is truly exciting, however, is its potential for civilian use. With its ability to carry large volumes, the Y-8 could play a huge role in the global supply chain, changing the way cargo is transported and delivered, especially in remote regions. China's advances in aeronautical technology place the Y-8 as a key player in transforming air transport. Its adaptability and performance can speed up global cargo movement and improve access to isolated areas, potentially redefining air travel and logistics in the near future. Second, TP. China is pushing the boundaries of autonomous transport with the TP-1, a large cargo drone developed in the country that promises to revolutionize the way goods are moved. This powerful unmanned aerial vehicle can carry a payload of up to 1 ton, opening up new possibilities for freight delivery. With autonomous flight capabilities, the TP-1.0 was designed to increase the efficiency of cargo transport, especially in remote areas or places where traditional methods are impractical. Its ability to carry heavy loads without the need for human pilots reduces costs and increases operational flexibility, representing a major leap in China's effort to develop cutting-edge unmanned aircraft for military and commercial use. The TP-100 is ready to transform logistics. As technology advances, this large cargo drone may become a common presence in the skies, transforming freight transport and enabling faster, safer, and more efficient deliveries around the world. First, Shenxi KJ1000. When it comes to innovation in aviation, China is taking huge steps with aircraft that can reshape the way we travel, both in the military and civilian sectors. A clear example of this technological leap is the Shenxi KJ2000. This aircraft, developed by Shenxi Aircraft Corporation, serves as an airborne early warning and control AEW&C platform. Equipped with advanced radar and surveillance systems, the KJ2000 can monitor large areas of airspace, detect potential threats, and direct responses in real time. Although it was originally designed for military applications, the technology behind this aircraft is being adapted for commercial aviation in the future. With new developments, the KJ2000 systems could be used to enhance passenger safety, improve air traffic control, and even optimize airline operations. As China continues to modernize its fleet, the potential for these advanced aircraft to transform air travel keeps growing. The KJ2000 is just the beginning of how Chinese aeronautical technology is evolving to make flying safer and more efficient. The future of air travel is changing, and China is at the forefront of this transformation. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about the future of aviation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the aircraft that are changing the game. See you in the next video.